Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I have been wanting to say this from such a long time, and now that I'm finally here today, I cannot tell you how happy I am. So, once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, as I was telling you guys, that this is basically the introduction video of my channel. That yes, finally, I am about to start my new channel, and I am very much excited and happy about it. So, first thing first, let me introduce myself to you guys first because you don't know me, right? सो लेट्स गेट टू नो मी. अब मुझे ना ऐसे पता नहीं था रैंडमली कि मैं अपने बारे में किसी को क्या बताऊंगी. सो मैंने पिंटरेस्ट से ये पिक्चर निकाला जिसमें कि देयर आर लाइक दिस लिस्ट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस विच आई विल बी आंसरिंग फटाफट से सो दैट यू विल गेट टू नो मी अ लिटिल बिट. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. ओके, so the first question is that where were you born? So I was born in Kanpur basically, and I was brought up in Delhi. So yes, I was born in Kanpur और हम उत्तर प्रदेश से हैं और हम बोलते हैं. Moving on, how old are you? So I was born in 2000, so it's very simple to calculate my age, okay? You do not have to think much when it's about calculating my age. So it's like it's 2024. So I'll be turning 24 this September. So easy. So yes, right now I'm like 23 running. So the next question is that what is my favorite color? So my favorite color has always been sky blue color. Like I was obsessed with that color. But like lately from past few months, I do not know why I am so much attracted towards the lavender color. And sometimes I like pink too. मतलब अभी अगर if you will look into my house, most of the things that I'm buying, I don't know why, I just get attracted towards lavenders and pinks more than sky blue these days. So yeah, that's that. So now the next question is that what is your favorite day of the week? Friday. Like ये कोई पूछने वाली बात होती है. It's the start of the weekend and yes, it's Friday. So let's move on to the next question. And somebody was calling me. It's okay, leave that. So the next question is, what is the next question? That what is your favorite food? Okay, food. I like a lot of things, but first thing first, मुझे घर का खाना बहुत 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 पसंद है. So also at the same point I love to cook as well. तो मतलब क्या होता है कि जैसे मुझे खाना बनाना बहुत पसंद है और जिन लोगों से मैं प्यार करती हूँ उनके लिए खाना बनाना बहुत पसंद है. और मैं ये ब्रैग नहीं कर रही, बट जेन्युइनली आई मेक डिलीशियस फूड. तो बाय द वे क्वेश्चन ये था कि मुझे क्या पसंद है, राइट? तो मुझे मतलब आई नो फर्स्ट थिंग फर्स्ट, मुझे घर का खाना बहुत पसंद है. यू गिव मी दाल चावल रोटी सब्जी एंड आई वुड लव दैट लाइक अ होल प्रॉपर मील. एंड देन मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, आई लव लिट्टी चोखा. मतलब अभी मैंने रिसेंटली कुछ समय पहले लिट्टी चोखा ट्राई करा था एंड इट्स डिलीशियस यू गाइज. और वन मोर थिंग, if you are eating anyway, if you are eating litti chokha, so you can actually remove litti and you can eat sometimes like the dal and the chokha with rice as well, and it also tastes delicious. Now moving on, I like good pasta जिसका सॉस बहुत अच्छा हो. So there are like only few restaurants जिनका पास्ता अच्छा होता है. आई लव टू ईट पिज़्ज़ा, बट वो भी डिफ़र करता है कि आप कौन से जगह से पिज़्ज़ा खा रहे हो. सो दैट्स दैट. और ये मुझे गर्मी क्यों लग रही है, आई डोंट नो व्हाई. एंड देन मूविंग ऑन, आई लव लाइक किसेडिया. आई लव कॉफ़ी. आई एम अ लवर ऑफ कॉफ़ी. ओके, लाइक आई एम नॉट lying. I can drink coffee every day after every hour if one is allowed to. And also I also like that cafe coffee day ka both the cookies like honey and oat milk and choco chip cookies. I also love New York cheesecake. I think we should stop it here because the list is too long. So ये बहुत सारा टाइम ले लेगी. But yes, I love food. Okay, so there is no specific thing that I would say that I like. There are a lot of things. So that's that. Now moving forward, let's see what is it. The next question is that what is your favorite drink? My favorite drink, I've already told you. I love to have coffee. I can also have like tea sometimes, but the point is that tea is something which I would prefer drinking in winters. But coffee is like every time. Coffee is love, okay? But I love adrak wali chai, so that's one thing. Also, I eat my food with chach, so my food is incomplete without it, and I cannot have it that way. मतलब ऐसा होता है मेरे साथ में, तो मैं खुद बना लेती हूँ अगर वो नहीं अवेलेबल होता है तो. Let's move on to the next question. So the next question is that what is your favorite ice cream flavor? I believe most of the people can eat vanilla, so I can eat vanilla. I do not like strawberry, okay? I hate strawberry in ice creams. Next is there is this ice cream parlor in Delhi which I visited like multiple times, और मैं अपने कई फ्रेंड्स को भी वहाँ पे लेके गई हूँ, तो मुझे वहाँ की आइसक्रीम बहुत अच्छी लगती है, एंड दैट्स स्कूप मैन. आई डोंट नो इफ़ एनी ऑफ यू हैव विजिटेड देयर और नॉट. तो वहाँ पर एक चोको ब्राउनी आइसक्रीम होती है. एक्चुअली उनके सारे फ्लेवर्स बहुत अच्छे होते हैं, बट आई लाइक द चोको ब्राउनी. So that's guys, moving on to the next question. Let's see what it is. The next question is, what do you want to be when you grow up? I feel like I'm already grown up enough. So if you do not know this, then let me tell you, I'm also a lawyer, but let's keep it a secret here. And moving forward to the next question. The next question is that where do you want to live, sorry, when you grow up? I would rather skip this question because it's too cliche to answer right now. So I am on that phase where I'm still exploring. So let's move on to the next. The next question is that do you have any brothers or sisters? How many? I am a single child and I am so happy about it. Like sometimes I do feel bad about it when I see a lot of people like doing a lot of stuff with their siblings, and it's good to have one person with you all the time, but still at the same point I am happy that I'm a single child. So let's move on to the next question, because I believe it also brings a lot of chaos, which I do not like. Also, I'm a Virgo, so I like my private space that way. So the next question is that do you have any pets? If so, what kind? Let me show you something for this question. So guys, to answer that question, I am here and let's meet Bella. Bella is camera shy, I believe. Bellu, treat. Sit pehle. Bellu, sit. Good girl, Bella. Good girl. So ये ट्रीट के लिए कुछ भी करेगी. So देख लो आप इसे. Bella is a golden retriever and she is love. Bellu, treat. Belzy. Yay! So guys, the last question is that what is my favorite place? Now there is nothing such as favorite place that I have, but yes, there are a lot of places that I want to visit someday. I haven't really like traveled a lot, so if we talk about India, then I really want to go to Jaisalmer, Udaipur, Kerala, and that region, Meghalaya and Assam someday. Also, if we talk about like outside India, then I would love to travel Europe, because that's one place I have always wanted to visit. Dubai is actually too cliche for me, so I would not go there. So I would not go there. But yes, these are the places I would love to visit someday. So now comes the most important question, that why a new YouTube channel all of a sudden. So basically, I always wanted to have a YouTube channel since I was in my school, and when I was in school I started one channel as well, like if I can recall, I was in 10th or 11th standard, but I could not keep up with that actually, because when you're in school you have got a lot of things to do, and it's just you cannot manage it all together. it's so stressful. And also उस समय पे I did not know most of the things that it takes to run a channel, and I could also not afford anything and everything that I needed at that time. But now, as I am working and I have most of the things that I need, and I can buy anything and everything that I need to run this channel, obviously. So that's another part. And now I know how things work. I can uh, do research about it and everything. But yes, I'm still happy that I tried at that time, but I am much more happy today that I am able to do this thing after such a long time, because that time I was in 19 and now I am 23 today, so I'm happy about it. So now let's talk about that what my channel is going to be about. Now my channel is going to be about fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and all those DIYs, and sometimes traveling, sometimes vlogging, and cooking, of course, because as I've told you, I'm not bragging about myself, but I really make good food. So yes, that's that. And we will see, like, as the channel grows. And most important thing with my channel is going to be that I want my channel to be a place where the content is relatable, because let's be honest, every time it's not those cherry and roses and stuff like that, all those glitters, right? Sometimes you just want to stay at home, you do not want to do anything, and one day you are like, you're all decked up and you have got all the energy to be that girl. So eventually everything works both ways. Like sometimes even I do not want to do anything, I just want to lay down, or like do not want to leave my bed. But sometimes I have the full energy to go to my office, to work, and to make food, to look good and everything. But sometimes I don't. So I want to make like content which is very relatable. And next point is that there are a lot of things that I've learned in these 23 years. So I want to share my experience with you guys as well, like all those skincare tips and everything, because I really wish कि मुझे ये सारी चीज़ें किसी ने बताई होती when I was stepping into my skincare journey, or like when I started doing such things, or maybe when I was in my teenage. So this channel can also be a great place for all my teenage girlies out there, because I will share all my experience, everything that I have learned so far. And trust me when I say this, I really wanted that उस समय पर ये सारी चीज़ें किसी ने मुझे बताई होती या मुझे पता होती. So that's one thing. So guys, I am just so much happy and thrilled to start this journey with all of you out there. And I just cannot express it in words, but yes, I'm so happy. And now that if you have watched my video till here, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell, so that every time whenever I will upload a video, you will get notified about it. Also, let's just be a part of this journey together and let's grow together. I just cannot wait to have my little YouTube family out there, and I'm just so happy. So yes, let's just subscribe to my channel and wait for me to say this again, that hi guys, welcome to Astha Diaries. Please subscribe to my channel. I love you all, my lovelies. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.